What's going on, everybody? I'm Dom Strider, back in another adventure to find that which time forgot about. I got my friend Ryan with me again, and he and I are going to go hit up an old railroad tunnel in the southwestern part of Wisconsin, and it's called the Buncombe. Insert pronunciation here, a tunnel. And now I couldn't find a whole lot of information about this tunnel, but it was an old railroad tunnel that was used in the late 19th century to the early 20th century. I think that it was abandoned somewhere in the earlier part of the 20th century. That's really all I know about it. There's not a whole lot of information. So in order to get to this tunnel, Ryan and I are pretty much going to have to take the river. We're going to kayak to a certain spot, and then at that certain spot, we're going to have to get off and kind of off-road a little bit to find it. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. And if you can't tell, I'm a huge fan of these kind of like these old places, like these tunnels and whatnot. Yeah, I'm kind of excited to see what we find. We're on the road right now. It should take us about 2 hours to get there. And yeah, so we'll kind of see you right when we get, right when we launch off from the river. So see you guys then. I broke the pump already, Ryan. I broke the pump.
Got that on camera.
He didn't actually get the actual break and me breaking it, but it's fine. It's fine. We're still good. I got this. Because, remember, kids, life lesson, when you're trying to pump a kayak, don't pump it too hard because you'll break the pump. We're going to be going along that river. So, yeah. This is going to be a fun one. I'm really looking forward to this. So we'll catch you guys when we get there. Stay tuned. Now what, guys, do you think this is? Looks like it could have been like some kind of a platform. Like I said, this used to be an old railway station. And there is our tunnel.
Hey, look at this little fireplace.
Oh, you're right. Holy shit. Somebody's been camping here.
Just use caution.
Yep. So guys, I know that's not the best camera angle. We found the tunnel. It's right there. It's pretty deep. So next stop is we're gonna go explore it. Luckily I did bring a flashlight. So we should be good. So Ryan and I are gonna go into there right now and try to, explore the tunnel and maybe see why it was abandoned in the first place. Mostly because nobody took the train anymore.
Let's use caution. We don't know what we're expecting.
I'm always cautious, buddy. Alrighty, you ready for this, man?
Yep, let's move.
Alright.
You
We got lights.
You can feel the cold air coming out of that cave.
Yeah, you can. And also the door. You got it?
Yeah.
Guys, check this out. This used to have trains going through it. Look at this.
Clay like mud.
Yeah.
These mud flats?
Mud flaps?
Mud flats.
Mud flats. Oh, the tracks?
No, the way it's shaped. Wait, no, let's carb.
It could very well be. I don't know. But, yeah. Look at this. Look, there's the support structure right there. If you look real closely.
You're dripping up the water from the top.
Yeah. I mean, keep in mind, we are in a cave after all.
Yeah.
And look, I guess it's not as long as I thought it would be. But, I mean, hey. It's alright. This is still a train tunnel.
Yeah.
And from what I heard, there was like, if we look closely for them, there were some antechambers or some kind of side things kind of going off.
Is that so?
Yeah, and because I think well, keep in mind they were building a railroad, right? And they were mining through this tunnel. The thing that kind of makes me wonder though is like the practical application of it. It goes to the edge of a river. Where's the train gonna go? Ooh, what's this?
Gallon top.
No, not just a gallon top. Gallon. Alright. Oh, yeah. I was wrong again.
Didn't you always have a mist down there?
Mist?
Yeah.
It could very well be. Because think about it.
Yeah, the cold air, the humidity is flowing.
Not just the cold air and the humidity. We're right next to the river. Heat rises. So, it's probably... And we've had a crap ton of rainy days recently.
Yeah.
So, the fact... Yeah, this is not the best light source, but it's all I got. Ew.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
There's the top. It's a little muddy right there.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
You right?
Yeah. I mean,
Easy.
yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah. Tread slowly. Okay, you almost got it.
All right.
Oh, this thing is full.
Yeah, this thing's falling apart. All right. Let's keep going.
I feel like some of these rocks might be sharp enough to cut you open.
What's that?
I feel like some of these rocks might be sharp enough to cut you.
Yeah, you're probably right.
So, take it easy.
Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Like I'm just taking one step here. And it's enough to like send me falling if I'm not careful.
You look like on your side,
What do you mean on my side?
like I'm doing. Just go like this.
Yeah, actually that's not a bad idea. First I need to head to higher ground. What's the matter?
I just like watch your back, just to be safe.
Yeah, I appreciate that very much so. Guys, we found a cave. Found a small little cave.
No, turn your blade over here. Just angles around.
Yeah, the camera's not being able to pick it up good, but
Yeah.
yeah. Dude, what if we found like treasure in here?
That'd be sweet.
Like, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Sounds like there's another water source over that way. Yeah, do you guys hear that? There's more water trickling. I want to see if I can find it. Oh, found it. What the hell? Guys, look at that. There's a beer can in here.
Somebody's been in here. Hello? Alright, that goes that way. It keeps going. We're good. Yeah. Ryan's not joining me for this one, but honestly, that's kind of good of him to do because then I can find my way back to him. This looks like it just loops around. What do we have here? I think I found... What's that? I think it loops around. I found a piece of wood. I found like a wooden log. Okay, guys. So I found a cave that has been kind of an antechamber of sort. Yeah, it smacked me in the head. Look at all this, guys. Look at all the... Yeah, I'm filming this in grayscale right now because this is literally the only way to pick up all of this stuff. It's like super foggy in here. And there is some water. Probably should have used this camera right at the beginning of coming into the cave, but oh well. Alright, yeah, Ryan's staying behind right now to kind of just be my insurance policy, which honestly in here is probably a good idea. But like, dude. Oh. You know what I bet this is? Yeah, I know I look incredibly creepy right now. You know what I bet this is? I bet this is, I bet this was like the miners' camps. In fact, there looks to be. Wait a minute, there's a date on here. Look. WI 5340 11/15 of 19. That was just last year. What were people doing in here last year? My only thought is maybe they were doing like I don't know, geology or something, and they were taking some like rock samples. This was a good spot to do it. I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty incredible. All right, that looks to be just a water spot. Alright, the cave gets really low and really wet about here. Just gotta keep it. Yeah, that's more water. Oh, holy crap, we found a freaking cave! I wonder where this all goes. Oh, careful. Can be a little treacherous. Oh wow, even look at like the, I know you can't see it well because of the night vision, but look at like the different lines representing the different geological time periods. Oh, dude. We might even find some crystal in here. I have no idea. And it looks like it ends here, but something looks a little odd. Wait, there's something written. 5 ton. I can't write. I can't read that. These look like sewer lines. 5 T. These look like sewer lines. 5 T. T-O-N. I don't know. And more wood. Probably from the railroad. Well, dude, I think this might be one of the coolest places I've ever been in. And I know I said that about the last place, but dude, this is kind of on a new level. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna get to the end of the tunnel, double back, and then after that we're probably gonna just head back the way we came. And yeah, this you have no idea the excitement right now that I am having being in a cave surrounded by nothing but rocks and water. All right, we're still in the tunnel. There's still Ryan. And this footing is getting muddier by the second. Yeah. I still find it hard to believe that a railroad was put through here. I mean, simply because, like, again, it's going to stop at the river. So what's the point? And I don't buy the whole, well, like, oh, maybe the river wasn't there in, like, 18-something. Yeah, it totally was. Yeah, it totally was. Oh, man. Look at these. Actually, I think I know, which is why we gotta go back.
Grab the stuff?
What?
Grab our stuff?
No, we gotta go back. I think this is somebody's, land.
Good point.
Cause yeah, dude, look. It's our, look, you got a roller?
Yeah.
That's probably somebody's, farm equipment that they didn't need anymore. Same with the tire. So, yeah, let's go back through the tunnel. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is one of our most interesting finds. I mean, a lot of the wood's in here. Oh, look, dude.
Yeah, there's a milk container.
Milk container, more tires.
Yeah.
Like here. Yeah, milk can, tire. Well, the soda can tells me that, like, somebody was squatting in here. Yeah. Oh, this is awesome. Well, yeah. This is pretty much the Buncombe Tunnel, the Buncombe Railroad Tunnel, and yeah, we found it. This is honestly probably one of my favorite finds so far. Granted, I've only ever done like one video prior to this, but still, man, this is awesome. Well, that's going to be all for today's adventure, guys. I've actually moved locations to film this this outro because after looking back at all the footage from the adventure, the outro that I originally took just did not turn out very well, so I'm redoing it here. But anyway, yeah, that's going to be it for this adventure, guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more of this content, hit subscribe and click the bell notification so that you know whenever I come out with a video. And if anybody knows of any places similar to this that are kind of more along the kind of hidden and forgotten things that not a lot of people know about, either send me a message on the Facebook page. The link for that will be down in description. And yeah, as always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Dom Strider, and I will see you guys the next time I go on an adventure to find that which time forgot about.